I hit this issue today and here S the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing access denial on iCloud, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Check your Apple ID. Make sure you are using the correct Apple ID associated with your iCloud account. Sometimes, users accidentally log in with a different account. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect your password might be incorrect, go ahead and reset it. Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to initiate the process. Step 3. Update your device. Ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS or macOS. Outdated software can sometimes cause access issues. Step 4. Check iCloud system status. Visit Apple's system status page to see if there are any outages affecting iCloud services. If there is a known issue, you may just need to wait it out. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue more deeply. Remember, sometimes a simple password reset can do wonders, but if the problem persists, don't hesitate to get help. Good luck!